Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the central control on this Whirlpool Swash clothing care system. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools before you begin this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver. A defective central control can cause a multitude of issues. It'll typically cause a unit not to power up or throw out false error codes. To begin this repair, we'll first remove the back panel. To begin this repair, the first thing we're going to do is just remove the drawer. Set that off to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and remove all the Torx screws around the perimeter of the back panel. All right, now that you've got your screws removed, just go ahead and remove the back panel. With the back panel removed, we can now remove the top cover. To do so, just slide it back slightly and lift up on the back side, and that's going to release your tabs that you have underneath here. And we're just going to set this to the side. Now that we have our top outer cover removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the top inner cover. It's held on by 6 1/4-inch screws. Once the screws are removed, you can just lift the cover off and set it aside. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the central control. First, we're just going to remove the CCU shield, set that off to the side. And you're going to just go ahead and disconnect all your harnesses from the board. They are going to be all keyed, so you really can't put it on the wrong way. Once those are all removed, just going to have 1 1/4-inch screw here that we're going to remove. And just going to slide the board towards the rear, lift up, and that just releases your little tab here, and your board is removed. Now with our new board, let's go ahead and install it. Just going to go ahead and kind of move your harnesses out of the way. Slide your tab in place in the front there. Drop it down. Reinstall your 1/4-inch screw. And we're just going to go ahead and reconnect all of our harnesses. And they are keyed, so they're only going to fit one way. And when they do clip on, you should hear kind of a snap. They're locking in place. And once they're all connected, just go back through, double check. Make sure your harness is running up the back side here and not over to the side like this. Otherwise, it's just going to pinch on the cover. And go ahead and set your shield just back in place. When the top cover gets screwed on, the screws actually go through there and kind of hold everything in place. But for now, we'll just set it there. And now we're ready to reinstall our top metal cover. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our top metal cover. You want to make sure that when you're setting it down, your screw holes all line up and you're not pinching this hose. If you have it flipped around, then your hose is just going to get crimped when you put the metal cover back on. So you've got a little slot there that hose has to go through. And you're gonna go ahead and reinstall your 6 1/4-inch screws on the cover. Now we can put the top outer cover on. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our top cover. Set it in place and push it forward to lock your tabs. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the back panel. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our back panel. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall your 8 Torx screws. Next, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the drawer. And that's going to complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.